So I think Doosan has, since they began in 2014, and just doing some R&D for the first couple of years and launched the product in Korea, they quickly became the #1 cobot company in Korea. And also they've learned quite a bit in terms of the market and where these cobots can be used and leveraged. And they see the US as a significant market, probably one of the largest, underutilized. This type of technology could be served in so many different areas. So we categorized it into 3 different industries. One is obviously industrial. There's a lot of things that industrial robots have done a great job in, but there's a lot of repetitive motion that still could be done by these robots, especially dangerous jobs, some dirty jobs, and very repetitive jobs. There's a tremendous amount of opportunity in the industrial space. The other 2 areas that are growing, and these are what we would call like the new frontiers, is the personal space. The personal usage of these robots. So this is personal care, things that eventually could end up in your home, and doing a lot of these repetitive type motions and jobs that we face every day. So these are now shifting from B2B type businesses, which is the industrial space for us, and then now moving into the B2C space, and that's where the personal, robotic interaction comes in. And then there's the professional services as well. So we're moving into a lot of solutions that are going to be providing, robotic, capability to professional services, and that would include things like medical or office cleaning. Sanitation, things like this, and it also includes, agricultural. So we're moving into spaces where, the everyday picking of apples from trees and putting it into cardboard boxes, or, just doing fully automated farming is areas that we're exploring as well, and see tremendous use of these types of robots. I think people recognize that this tool is really something that could help in many different ways in terms of its utilization for the labor, and actually helping people reinvent what they do themselves in the workspace. But I think the challenge in the States is the fact that they don't see the robot as a human. Which is how we're presenting it here in the States. And also in Korea. We really want, once again, going back to the philosophy and the legacy of Doosan, which is we want to enable humans to live a more fuller life, right? And we believe in people. We love the people that work for Doosan. We love the people we work with and partner with. And so this robot is designed so that we want to be a human robot to help humanity, to help people in their everyday dealings, right? Whether it be at work or even at, socially. So that's why we have the coffee robots and ice cream robots and so on. So it's really cool the way we're approaching this market, and also the fact that we're trying to embrace and be part of the human everyday life. The acceptance in the U.S., I think the challenge there is just that it almost seems like we're still separating the fact that the robot is a piece of equipment, and that it belongs in the industrial space, and we still need humans to do all these types of things that are repetitive and dirty and dangerous, when in reality these robots could really help us solve all of these issues that we're facing today.
That's where